Hello everyone, welcome to my class. I am here with my very important topic of English grammar, that is parts of speech. This is very important topic for English grammar. So let's start understanding this. See, there are 8 parts of speech in English grammar. Very important question you must understand. In English grammar we study about 8 types of parts of speech. Okay, so the first one is noun. Okay, so now what is noun? So a noun is the name of a person, place, animal and thing. Okay, so any name, the name of any things, any animal, any person, any place come in the category of noun. Clear? Let's understand this definition with an example. I have written here, Raju is going to the park with his pet dog and new cycle. So in this one sentence, all kind of nouns we are getting here, not kinds of noun, actually this name, various kinds of name we are getting here. So Raju is the name for a person, is going to the park is the name for a place, with his pet dog is for animal, and new cycle is for thing. Clear? So name of any person, place, animal and thing is called a noun. Okay, now the next part of our parts of speech is pronoun. Pro and then noun. What is pronoun? A pronoun is a word used at the place of a noun. Okay, a pronoun is a word used at the place of a noun. In English grammar, we cannot repeat the same name again and again. Okay, so for that reason, there is a word we used instead of that particular name, and that word is referred as pronoun. Clear? See, understand this definition with example. Rohan is a good boy. He goes to school daily. So who is he here? Rohan. Okay, so if we have mentioned his name earlier, so we are not required to mention his name again. Okay, so Rohan is a good boy. He goes. Who is he here? Rohan. And we have used he at the place of Rohan, so he is our pronoun. Clear? And pronoun helps to make our sentence looks very good and suitable as well. Okay, I hope you have understood. There are so many pronouns and I will discuss this whole parts of speech separately and in detail in our next class. Okay, so next part of speech is our adjectives. This is adjectives. So now an adjective is a word that tells us more about a noun or a pronoun. Clear? Adjective is a word that tells us more about a noun or a pronoun. Means adjective help us to understand noun and pronoun nicely, okay, or in a detailed manner. In other words, it describes the noun or a pronoun. Or in other words, we can say that adjectives describe noun and pronoun. Clear? Let's understand this with example. Rohan is an intelligent boy and Seema is a beautiful girl. Now Rohan is a boy, that's clear. Okay, Rohan is our noun and boy is also our noun. And now Rohan is a boy, but what type of boy he is very intelligent. And this intelligent is helping us to understand this Rohan very properly, right? So intelligent is our adjective. Now Shima is a beautiful girl. How is Shima? She is very beautiful. So beautiful is our adjective. Clear? I hope you understand. How does adjective help us? Adjective help us to understand the quality, the manner of noun or a pronoun. Clear? Okay. Now come to the next one, that is verbs. Now what are verbs? So a verb expresses action or being or any kind of activity is called a verb. So a verb expresses action, any kind of action, okay, or activities are called a verb. So understand this with example. He plays football. So now playing here is a kind of action. So this is our verb. She sings very nicely. In this sentence, sings is action and this is our verb. Okay. Now next one is our adverb. Adverb. So an adverb is a word which tells us more about the verb or action. Okay. So adverb tells us more about verb. You have done an action, that is your verb, but how you have done that action, when you have completed, in which manner you have done that particular work, all these details are given with the help of adverb. Clear? Now see, an adverb is a word which tells us more about the verb or the actions. Understand with example. He plays football very nicely. He plays football, but how he plays? Very nicely. Okay, so this nicely is our adverb. And to understand adverb, you must see in so many words you will see that ly is joined with your adjectives. Okay, so nicely, beautifully, calmly, slowly, all these words are adverb. I will discuss adverb in a separate video in detailed manner. Okay, so we have done adverb. Now let's start doing preposition. So what are preposition? So a preposition is a word which tells the position of anything. Means preposition help us to understand the position, the address, the we can say the where the thing is kept. Okay, that help us, preposition help us to understand that. Okay, or it establishes the relation between two different objects. Yes, this is very important. Preposition establish, preposition create the relation between two different objects. Understand this with example. The phone is on the desk. Okay, the phone is on the desk. In this sentence we can see that where is the phone? Phone is on the desk. On is our preposition, and as if on help us to understand the position of phone, where it is kept. Okay, so now our one more thing, there is no relation between phone and the desk, but this on creates relations. Okay, next one is the fan is over our head. Clear? Where is the fan? Over our head. Clear? Now don't say on our head. Okay, that is over our head. Now the next one is conjunction. Now what is conjunctions? A conjunction is a word which joins two different words or sentences. Conjunction is a joining word, okay, that adds two different words together. For example, Ram and Shyam are best friends. Ram is a boy and Shyam is a boy. Both are different, but both are joined with the word that is and that's why and is our conjunction. He is poor but she is rich. Now he is poor and she is, both are different. He is another one and she is another one, but this but is joining this both, so but is our conjunction. Clear? Now Next one is interjection. Now what are interjection? An interjection is a word which expresses our sudden feelings and emotions. Interjections helps to express our feelings and emotions. So for example, wow, what a dish. So this wow is our exclamatory word, and we are expressing our feelings with this word, with the help of this word. And alas, he is no more. So this is also our interjection, and interjection always ends with a mark that is called exclamatory mark. Okay, so I hope understand this parts of speech is all clear to you. In next video I will come with my new topic. So till then, stay connected with us. Thank you so much.